Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix 502 bad gateway error in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our WordPress website and then you see error 502 bad gateway. So we are going to fix it. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So you can refresh the page or you can remove your browser cache and your issue will be fixed. Go to file manager. So we are in file manager for our WordPress website and then you see .htaccess file. So you can rename it or delete it and then check your website. If your issue is fixed, then good. Other method is go to WP content folder and then you can rename your plugin folder. Click on it, rename and OK. Now you see plugin folder rename done. Now go to website again and refresh the page and then you see website is loading again. Now go to file manager again. Now you see we rename plugin folder and our issue is fixed. So you can check which plugin caused this error. So you can go to WordPress plugin section and then back to file manager. Again rename it. Now remove and then click on OK. And then you can activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this error. If by deactivating plugin your issue will be fixed, then good. Another method is you can increase your PHP memory limit. Now open wp-config.php file. So this is our wp-config.php file. So click on it. Now wp-config.php file open. So you can add memory limit. So we added define wp memory limit 768 M. So you can add 256 512. So it's up to you. So we add 768 M and then click on save. Now save done. Now go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see our website is working fine and our issue is fixed 502 bad gateway. So you can apply any method and your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.